Okay, find the angle between vectors. Right? We know that vectors are like arrows. Right? They have a terminal point and an initial point. Unless they're going in the same direction, then there's going to be some angle that separates them. So this problem is, how do we find the angle that separates two vectors? And we have a formula for that. It is the cosine of that angle is the dot product divided by the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. Okay, and we know how to do all those parts there. So the dot product, in this case, u dot v, equals 2 times 1 plus -3 times -2. Okay, now notice I didn't even change these to component form. I'm just using it in this linear combination of the standard unit vectors. 2 times 1 plus -3 times -2, which is 2 plus 6, which is 8. Okay, the magnitude of u equals the square root of 2 squared plus -3 squared, which is the square root of 13. And the magnitude of v equals the square root of 1 squared plus -2 squared. Which is the square root of 5. Okay, so we have everything we need to plug in our formula. Cosine of theta equals 8 divided by the square root of 13 times the square root of 5. Right? Let me turn that into a decimal. 8 divided by the square root of 13 divided by the square root of 5. 0.992. So how do we find the theta? Take cosine inverse of 0.992. 7.13.